Hey everyone. So I'm gonna wait just a second to make sure I'm in the right place. And I wanted to jump in and show you guys something really awesome. So we are going to talk Isalife app and why you need it, how you use it. And I don't want it to get super crazy specific, but I want to show you how to enter and log your food because it's an amazing tool similar to like a MyFitnessPal, or maybe you use another site, but it's awesome. So let me make sure we got this going. Okay, so the lag time is real bad, but that's okay. So we are going to go, let me share this with you. Okay, so we have our Isalife app right here. And when you log into your Isalife app, you will see that you can add your own photo, your own video, you can add a link. You can also see any new things that Isagenix has posted in their Isa FYI. So what's great is from here, you can order. So if it's week 4 and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't have enough cleanse for next week, you can pop in here, do a one-time order, get yourself some cleanse. Another thing you can do is you can manage your lifestyle rewards from here also. So you can manage the next ship date, you can change out the pack or the products in your auto ship. So this feature alone makes it really, really, really amazing. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Jessica. That feature alone to manage the auto ship makes it so awesome. But what I wanted to show you today is more about the daily checklist and how to track your food. So a big thing with Isagenix is we don't have a lot of restrictions, right? But we do have kind of that caloric restriction if you are wanting to be in a deficit and you're wanting to lose weight. So one way you can utilize this is to track everything that you're eating. And I'm talking everything that you are eating. So if you're cooking with oil, you want to make sure you track that. If you put butter on your toast, you want to track that. Because here's the thing, the more accurate you are, the more accurate your results are going to be. Just like we say, eat for your goals, track for your goals. So if you are a casual weight losser and you're like, I'm just wanting to lose a little bit, maybe you don't have a lot to lose, maybe you don't track as often or as diligently or as specific, but you can, hey Dolores, hey Dana, but you can utilize this to get really, really specific. And what's funny is I only have 4% battery, so hopefully this lasts. Okay, so you'll see that I already have checked off my Ionics for the day, my shake, my natural accelerator, and my products. What is amazing is you can go in here and you can add an item. So you can come in here and you can say, well, I want to add an Isagenix product. Maybe you add and you're going to find the pre-workout. So you come in here, you'd find the AMP, where is it? Nitro, and you could say, I'm going to add an AMP Nitro, I'm going to add 1 scoop, and you could even track the time. So if you are wondering what kind of calories I eat throughout the day, do I eat early enough, do I eat often enough, you can even track the time. And I hope that this lasts. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to pop back on. So that's great. Another thing that's really cool is besides Isagenix products, you can actually track food. So whatever food you're eating. You'll notice it's all food, popular brands, grocery store brands. So if you have a Safeway, a Fry's, a Fred Meyer, or Kroger, whatever you have near you, you can shop grocery store brands. And within there, you can search for products. How I use it is I actually just come up here to the top and search for food. So you'll notice this is some of the food I've searched for today. Pita chips, Laughing Cow cheese. I wanted to see what they had under Carl's Jr. and Cafe Rio. Also wanted to put in my creamer. So you can easily search for food. But here is the easiest way. If you have your creamer, you have your salsa, you have your burger patties, whatever they are, you can click the little icon in the top right below the word done, and that will actually bring up a food scanner. You're not going to like scan your food, but you're going to scan the label. So you'll notice it has the little red line on there. You put that little red line in the middle of your barcode, and that's going to go ahead and scan that food. It's going to pop in the calories, the carbs, the fat, the sodium, the sugar, the fiber, all of the nutritional information, and it's going to put it in your Isalife app. The great thing too is you can do servings. So if you wanted to add, I'm just going to pick a food that I already did. So like cottage cheese I had for my afternoon snack. Let's say I was super hungry, and you can change up the serving amount. So here is what is great. The serving amount, the food always has the serving size on the back. So I know, just because I eat a lot of cottage cheese, the serving amount is 110 grams. So if I want to be super specific, I just put my bowl on there, on my scale. I do it on grams. I put in 110 grams of cottage cheese, and I'm done. Let's say I want more. You can figure out how much of a serving size more by doing some simple math, and I can put that in the comments. But I'm kind of a geek and I like to weigh on my food. So you can do that. You don't have to do that. You can just take a half cup, boom, put it in your bowl, and be done. If that seems like too much work and that seems like super stressful for you to track, don't track, but just realize what you're eating. So I love the spring detox, and I love this program because it's really all about intention and eating with intention, knowing what you're doing. So you can track your 400 to 600 calorie meal in here. You can track your IsaFlush. You can track your fitness and your activities. You can even link it to your, if you have a Fitbit watch, you can even link it to that, which is really great. So you can put calories in there, and then you can even track how you're feeling, which is great. At the end of every day, you do want to complete and submit, so that way you can go back and see your logs. But this is a really, really great tool. So again, eat for your goals, track for your goals. Everyone's going to be different. For me, a big thing is making sure I'm getting in enough water, because I'm not a great water drinker. But really just being intentional with what are you putting in your mouth. And it seems so crazy, but often we get questions of, I'm not losing fast enough, or I've plateaued, and we don't realize the creamer. Maybe we're not just adding in a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, but we're adding in like half a cup or more. Or maybe the PB2 that we're adding to our shakes is not the suggested serving amount. We kind of eyeball 2 tablespoons, but we're having 4 tablespoons. And all of that stuff adds up throughout the day. So 2 tablespoons is going to be 50 calories. 4 tablespoons, that's an extra 50 calories that you maybe didn't account for in your day. So I just wanted to show you how to use the Isalife app. Hopefully that was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Oh, and Erin said in the update, you can link it to your Apple Health too, which is really great. So I love it that they're always updating. They're always adding new things. And the big thing for me too is we eat out. Sometimes, this is lifestyle and this is life. And sometimes we go out, and they have a lot of those food and restaurant chains in there also. Like I just looked Cafe Rio. I had Cafe Rio the other day, and you can choose the meat. You can choose what entree. They had like Panda Express, Carl's Jr. So optimally, if we're eating for our goals, we probably maybe shouldn't be going out. But if life happens and that's what it is for the evening or the day, choose something that's going to fit in that 400 to 600 calorie range. Or maybe you get a small side and you use that as one of your snack options. So quick, easy tutorial. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm so excited for the Spring Detox. Day 1 is almost done. I hope you guys had a great day.